Okay, today we'll be testing out this new print bed here. It's supposed to give you a nice little texture and stuff, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna do a quick little print. Alright, so we're just doing something for brake pads, like a wear gauge. That seems to be pretty good so far. I'm kind of interested to see what the back really, if it does really work. This first layer is looking pretty good. I didn't really have problems with the layers before. I did do a leveling, auto level before I started this. Okay, its print's done. It's got you can kind of see the texture a little bit, but it also it's got a way smoother feel to it on the bottom with it. Definitely compared to this. I use monolithic lines, which is pretty good for this, but it's like baby smooth right here. So that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna do like a bigger print and see when where we would normally need brims and see how well it sticks and if there's any warping or anything.